What's up, massive? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh my word. I'm currently in the real foreign right now. Right now, massive, I'm not even kidding you. Can you see this? So right now it's actually 7 degrees Celsius in. And I'm currently in Syracuse. But they think Mount Vernon cold. But they think me experience real cold. But I drew up my dynamic here. I'm the real boy this. So, yeah, massive. So, we're currently gonna make a show because it's Jamaica walk by here. We're currently. Bless up, bless up. Greetings, Richie, mad. I'm the real cool, you know? Huh? Yeah, I'm just walking. Yeah, I'm doing a blog. I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica walk by. Jamaica. Oh, I'm gonna find. So you don't know the intro, so we all natural. Yeah, so it's Jamaica. Man, I'm so cold I can't even type. So you can just hold this on me right there, yeah. So it's Jamaica. So it's Jamaica walk by. Man, you live up here?
Yeah, I live down there.
Alright, so this is it right here. I'm gonna subscribe there. So this is the page. You see exactly what I do.
Alright,
yeah. How long you been here?
I've been down here for like, what, in Syracuse?
Yeah.
Like, shit, that's my whole life.
Bro, so I'm just chilling with this is what's your name, man?
Todd.
Todd?
Ty.
Ty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so Ty been living here, bro. It's the coolest I've ever been in my entire life.
Like Syracuse?
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Listen. I was down by Mount Vernon, right?
Yeah.
And I experienced 14 degrees Celsius and I was dying. Now, it is actually 7 degrees Celsius because us in Jamaica, we use degrees Celsius. Right. You guys use degree Fahrenheit up here. Yeah. Bro, this is silly, bro. And they're saying gonna be snowing tomorrow.
It's snowing tomorrow?
Yeah.
Wait for winter, it's about to be worse.
Oh my God.
Worse.
Yo, so your experience up here, you love it up here?
Nah, not really.
So you ever been to Mount Vernon side? Nah.
I've been where?
Like Mount Vernon, like down New York side, down.
Yeah.
Cause this is way upstate.
The city, yeah.
Yeah.
I got food from the city.
Yeah, down there is way better than this, right?
Yeah, way.
But guess what? I love the look of up here.
Right.
Yeah.
You gotta get that too. You gotta think about a lot of stuff. Like.
Yeah. Down there the city is expensive.
Yeah,
way expensive than up here, yeah? Yeah, man. Just check out the videos. I'm gonna just walk a little bit and show them about the place. What's your Instagram?
My Instagram.
I can give you a shout out, yeah.
Get off Ty D. I'm about to show y'all. Give me a minute.
Yeah, man. Let me give it. So I'm just walking and you know we stay already on Jamaica walk by. Yeah, let me read it out if I can.
Get off Ty D.
Oh yeah, so it's get tough tide. So that's GETOFFTYD.
Yeah.
Alright, that's his Instagram. That's my G right here. So I'm gonna be here for a little while, checking out the place and stuff, you know? It's crazy. It's crazy. But it's beautiful. Look. Yeah. Yeah, man. Respect and thanks, man. See? Bless up, bro. Yeah. So, man, if you know we are natural, you don't know. So, this is actually Syracuse. It's mad cold, bro. Like, it's now, I just checked it and it went down to 6 degrees Celsius, bro. Crazy massive. And a joke thing. And a normal thing. The thing what I like about up here is it's different. It's beautiful. You can see that you're actually, you know, in a different section of New York. The houses are different. Everything. You get yard space. A lot of places down here, you get yard space. You know what I mean? So, yo, bad man thing. 6 degrees Celsius and I just see a lady in one little blouse, belly skin and shorts. Like, no, it's not shorts. It's a little sleazy pants. If you can look over there, you'll see her. Me don't know how them white people do that something here. But then tough. And a joke thing. Me a tremble like a leaf, virgin. If the camera never so stable, you'd see how me a tremble like leaf, brother. So, we just go and walk out in the community and if we just show you a little bit of how the place really look. So massive if you watch so far and you're not subscribed yet, me don't know where you wait for because the real content them here. We are showing you what Syracuse looks like upstate to all the massive them we don't know about the place. You understand? So yeah, massive. And a joke thing. So it's not about me. We just showing you what I go on and we're going to enjoy the little walk. So big up all my massive, big up all the real G them. Big up Big Daddy E, you don't know. Big up 10th floor, anywhere you're there, my brother. 10th floor, big up yourself anywhere you're there, you hear that? My thing, and all of the hearted subscriber them, you don't know, Barry walking exercise. Big up yourself anywhere you're there to, and your beautiful wife, Miss Elizabeth. Mwah. Much love to you guys, is it? So, we're there and we are going to kick it, and I'm going to show you what the place looks like. Massive. It is beautiful. Once Lexi reach up here, Lexi says she should live up here, so. And she see the place, so you know it's not a normal thing. But I heard it's way cheaper. I also heard it's, you know, rent and everything up here way more easier and cheaper than actually in the city, you know, so that's a plus. And loads of food, and the malls are excellent, no joke. So let's do this. And one last thing, if you're not yet subscribed, do me a beg you subscribe. Drop a comment right now. Big up to everybody in the premiere section. Too, we are light up the premiere, you don't know. And massive, I'm gonna say this before I go. I'm gonna start do the live videos over here on TikTok. But you must know why. You understand? So all I massive them we want to see some live walk and bunch of things. We are gonna do them thing there over TikTok. See me I'll tap for telling you. So we are gonna start go live over on TikTok at Jamaica Walk by TV. Jamaica Walk by TV on TikTok. That's how we are gonna go live and reason. Seeing? Mad love, mad respect. Let's do this. Yeah. It is mad cold, yo. My hands are burning. Wow. I have never experienced anything like this. I'm not sure how long the video is going to be massive, but it's mad cold, yo. Like, I'm sure I have on good clothes for this. I have on 3 shirts. 3 shirts I have on. 3 shirts plus a skins. Only thing I have on is a gloves. So I guess that's why my hand them mad cold. Yeah. I really need to get a gloves. But yeah, we are in Syracuse. So this is Syracuse. Upstate, New York. Oh my God. Woo. And now it's 4 degrees Celsius. It is dropping so fast. So that means rain probably soon fall or something. Thank you, man. So 4 degrees Celsius. See somebody over there turn on the chimney. Then my place I have to burn fire, brother. See that chimney? Shoot! Look good, center camera, there's a chimney on fire. Most of the houses have chimney. So, for persons who are wondering, Syracuse is upstate. We are right on the border of Canada, right in the here there. The border of Canada. So, Canada is like not even an hour drive from where we are right now. I'm not sure which direction I want to walk to, but I know if we walk that way, center camera, we're gonna go to the highway, like to the city, and I have no idea where this way goes at all. But we see some high-rise building down there and stuff, but it is my first walk up here in Syracuse. So we are actually not far from the town either, downtown Syracuse. So yeah, I'm just walking a bit to let you see. I think I'm just gonna walk this way because I see some high-rise building down there. So yeah. Yo, this is cool. Woo. Service part, collision. I'm probably gonna have to go in one of these places. Oh, I have to go try to cool off my hand. It's freezing. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Also, a lot of cars over here also have they're electric cars. Whoa. All right, thank you. Yeah. My word. It's a massive bush. The bush there. Jamaican massive, them don't want to see foreign, yo. This is a beautiful experience. Like, just walking. This is a beautiful experience. To all the persons who have not traveled before, like, me I implore on you guys, yo, go check out how they do a visa for wherever place you want to go. But this is just great to experience that the world is so bigger than we think. Like all of the massive in Jamaica to we never travel yet. Like myself, this is my first time. I'm telling you, don't business with nobody wants to say. Don't even business with me wants to say right now. But come and try for your visa. Or if there's a place that you might want to go that don't require a visa, just try and go save up a little bit of money and go try and go and explore. See that the place is bigger than Jamaica. Yeah, we love Jamaica to our heart. I love Jamaica, no doubt, no joke. Love down the heart, bad. But the world is way bigger than that. You see what I say? Yeah, the world is way bigger than that. You guys should just go and explore, yo. Maybe sometimes we just need a different environment to get a change of mind, a change of heart, to sometimes even just find ourselves, you see it? No joke, no doubt. Like, I wake up this morning and say I go walk and I feel like I dream, like, I couldn't believe somebody are foreign. Like, I look how long I'm there. Over 3 weeks. And I can't believe I'm here. So, yeah. If you feel one time, try again. And being over here changed a lot of things about me in a 3 weeks. The world is big, massive. It's big. It's really big. I have no idea where I'm going, to be honest. I'm not sure how far I go walk, but I walk. Because me personally want to see the place. Not because I see camera in one direction sometimes, don't mean I'm looking just there. I am looking everywhere. And it's awesome. Enough foreign. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So a few things I know about Syracuse is that I think I've seen the best mall since I am here over on this side. And it's Destiny USA. That mall is superb. Not a crash. Because there's no sidewalk on this side. The sidewalk is on the other side. And you gotta be careful when you cross over here, because guess what? If you're used to the driving on the left, it is actually on the right over here. So you have to be careful. You're gonna look the wrong direction and you might get hurt. You know? It happened to me about 3 times when I nearly walk out in a car because when I look left it was clear. You know? Oh wow. So big up some guy from Toronto. Big up Diane Hunt. Big up Marvin Sinclair. Ricky Webster, big up yourself anywhere you're there. You understand? Big up 10th floor. Big up Belly. And the whole Church Avenue and Jamaica Avenue, massive. Big up Caribbean Vibes Restaurant. Big up Alal Hub. You know, just on a big up 4th Avenue, Golden Cross and 4th Avenue. And all the other places. Big up Puma Barber Shop on 4th Avenue too as well. Big up B&H Restaurant on 4th Avenue as well. You understand? Yeah. I wanna big up, let me see, Tahara. Big up to Tahara anywhere you're there. Big up Jewel in the Kitchen. That's a YouTube channel as well. You can check her out. Big up Jason and Gina. Big up on yourself, real good people. They have a YouTube channel too as well, Jason and Gina. Yeah. Big up my general Christmas list. Anyway, you're there, I know say you're back home in Toronto for a few days. So big up to Christmas list. Kino life in Jamaica, big up yourself also. Yeah. Persons in the premiere right here now, big up on yourself. Mad love, mad respect. Keep on sending all of the admin, they want to send some link, the moderators, and they can send link for persons who have YouTube channel inside of the chat right now. So persons can subscribe. Big up to Ozzy Video Tour. He's a YouTuber as well. Persons can check out his channel. Yeah, Barry Walking Exercise. Somebody drop them link there, please. So we can give them a good big up and get them some more subscribers too as well. Mirror Effect. Big up yourself, my teacher. Persons can check out his channel too as well. Mirror Effect. No joke, no doubt. Hope I'm not left out anybody who always a support Jamaica walk by. You understand? As we go further, I remember more people. Big up Carlington. You don't know Carlington, you come and link with over in, what the name over there again? Where Ozzy Ice Cream is. Long Island, yeah, that's it. Over there in Long Island. Yeah. Woo. I want to big up Catterwood's Travel too. Catterwood Travel. Big up yourself anytime. Like, oh my God, we super appreciate you guys. Big up your little son for me too. I'm a bro that. Very cool youth. So that's Catterwood Travel. Massive. Let me tell you a little bit about Catterwood Travel. So say you want to do a cruise, say you want to do a tour in another country, could be in the same country. You can link her up. She will organize it for you and get you the best deals possible. We are definitely trying to do a cruise, and she's the one who's going to deal with the cruise for us so that we can have a great time and the best price possible. Because you know, stuff can be so expensive. So we need somebody who actually know the local avenue and lane them to turn on to make the thing work the best way, you know? And that's Catterwood Travel. So, yeah, big up on yourself. Let's go. Careful. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going. I'm just walking. Place look just like how I see it in the TV or in the movies. Look at the temperature, massive. It is so cold. Come like the rain it's gonna rain. Like rain or dew. Shoot. And I don't have an umbrella.
What?
I'm not sure if there's any store or anything at all nearby. Oh, I see some cars parked over there, so probably there's a mall or something. I am not sure. But it's raining. No. Alright. Let me go across here. I don't know where I'm going, but seems like it's raining. I don't know. I'm trying to find somewhere I can go inside of or something like that. Because I didn't walk with the waterproof camera. So let me see. I have no idea. This is like a community type of thing. Everything is far away here. It's not like in Mount Vernon where you can see stuff nearby. So it seems like there's some place up here, I guess, but I probably can't go in. I have no idea. Alright, this is a pizza hub. I'm gonna try and get inside there. Try to get inside of here because it's raining. Yeah, we got some shelter right here. Oh God, it's cold. So this is just 16 minutes. What's that? So that's Pizza Hub. Over there, look like TD at Bangers, American and German cuisine. Now gonna see if we can go inside here. I'm trying to cover this a little bit. So Syracuse, massive. I'm not sure if up this side is for me, but I probably live here if you just want to get away, you know. But as for content creating and stuff, I really don't know. Let me see how in here still. Where do you enter from? I guess you enter from here. All right. Oh, wow, good day.
Hello.
I'm freezing.
Freezing?
Yes, I am freezing.
Sweating.
No.
I'm running around this place.
No.
Oh gosh, I'm so hot. I can't
No,
take it.
no, you're actually sweating. Maybe because you're in.
I'm running around.
Oh, can I touch you? I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica, right? Can I feel my arm?
Oh, you're free.
I'm freezing.
Oh, I love it. I'm so
Oh my
hot.
God. All right. Yeah. I have no idea where I'm going, but I'm staying down the road. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica, so I'm just walking to show my fans.
I was wondering what you had in your hand.
Yeah.
There.
I'm trying to show, yeah. So I actually give this place a shout out before I even got in here. So it's great to know that there are beautiful, nice persons are in here.
Yes.
Yeah. So I don't know what is here, but I realized you do pizza and stuff. So massive. These pizza are humongous. They are big. Look at this. So I'm definitely gonna try one of these pizza. It's kind of a bit raining outside, so I decided that I just want to stop somewhere to just let it cool off a little bit. But I think I made the right decision to come inside here.
Warm up a little bit, not cool.
Yeah. You got it. That's so true.
Yeah, let me feel how cold you get there. Oh my God, you are cold.
I'm freezing. I'm telling you, I'm freezing.
Why are you here? You need to go back to Jamaica where it's warm.
Listen. In Jamaica, sometimes it goes to 100 degrees Celsius. You know what I mean?
I have two of my friends.
You're not used to it.
No, my
I have
body.
two of my girlfriends that are from Jamaica.
Right.
And they go there religiously.
Oh my God. My body is just trying to
Yeah, you're not
cope
used
with the
to it.
cold.
Right.
I'm shaking.
Right.
He's weird cold.
And I have like 3 things underneath this.
Right. You're
Yeah.
not used to it.
No, I saw you sweating a while ago.
Yeah.
Like you were sweating.
Sweating. Because I'm the only server, so I'm running.
Oh.
running. Yeah.
Yeah, so
I'm like,
tell me a little bit of what's going on here. So I can show this out to the world. Like
okay.
they're seeing you now and telling you guys are so nice and everything.
Are you
Just-
on TikTok?
I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.
I actually, I stopped to work here. I was a big TikToker.
Oh, yeah?
You guys get millions of views.
What's your TikTok?
R Rose R. It's 2 R's.
So it's
I got
R.
like 300,000 followers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
R. 2.
R Rose Art.
All right. Should I write my YouTube?
Yes.
I can't.
Yeah, write it
even.
down.
I can't
Yeah.
even write right now. Like, oh
He's
my
like,
God.
I'm so cold. But
I'm
yeah,
super cold.
I used to do art, crime, and story time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You're good at this.
I was. Oh yeah.
This is actually working.
She's like, you're good at this. I can type it in. Do you know your TikTok?
Oh, this feels so
Try that.
good.
Do you
Oh
know
my
your name
God.
on here?
So you're on what? Instagram right now?
TikTok.
TikTok. It's Jamaica Walk by TV.
Wait, spell it.
JAMAICA.
Walk
I can't write. Walk
by
TV. That's it on TikTok. I can't write. I'm trying.
You said I can't.
MAICA.
Why are you not popping up?
It's done.
Walk by.
What the
And-
heck?
This is our
Why are you not popping up?
YouTube.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, so this is your Instagram. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
You're over 260,000.
Yeah. I do art and stories,
Okay.
and I would get a lot of views.
Wow.
Yeah.
So why didn't you
I
just?
stopped to start working here.
So you should probably
I
do
was
this to.
making-
You should
I
do this to
know.
YouTube too as well.
I know that's what someone told me, that I should start posting them on YouTube.
Oh my God.
And then like one time I randomly posted one of them on YouTube Shorts.
Yeah.
And it got like 20,000 views.
See?
My first
First.
YouTube short.
I'm just
I
plugging.
was like, what is going on?
Oh my
but
God.
yeah.
That's 260,000
And I
followers.
did that in 8 months.
That's crazy.
I got like 6 million likes.
I'm trying to reach
You know
100,000.
what? You know what the consistency is though?
Yeah, talk to me.
Posting every
Day.
Listen,
I believe you.
Didn't miss
A day. I believe you.
Not a day did I miss. You have to literally post every day.
Oh
You
my
have to
word.
that's the key, is consistency.
Consistency.
That is the biggest
so,
key.
You're listening to this big TikToker right here, and she's just chilling. You understand? So I hope you get the motivation also to start back,
Yeah, I do.
to do
I
it,
do want to
and
start back.
probably starting YouTube too as well.
Right,
All right?
right.
So
Because
you're in.
YouTube's where
I
it's
didn't
at.
remember. I catch your TikTok,
Yes.
but I don't remember it out my head.
Yeah, follow me because I couldn't find you.
Yeah. So it's on YouTube. I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube as well.
Yes.
as
Oh
well.
yeah, I can do it.
So
Let's see
it's
if I can find you on there.
Jamaica Walk by on
Jamaica
YouTube.
Walkway. Let me see.
So massive. Yeah, this place is really nice. As you can see, these ladies are incredible. They are incredible people. Just the moment I stepped in, like massive, I'm actually warming up. Yeah.
He's like, I'm finally starting to warm my hands up.
Yeah.
Spell
So it's
Jamaica.
JAMAICA space walk by. That's WALK.
Wait, I found you on YouTube.
Yeah. So all right. So you found me. This is what TikTok.
Is that
Yep.
you on YouTube?
So this is me right here.
Okay.
And this is me on YouTube
Is
right
that
here.
you?
So I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, so I'm touring.
Damn, you got 87,000 on YouTube.
Yeah.
Listen, it's way harder to get
On YouTube,
subscribers
or
on YouTube.
so you know what the channel is. It's big.
Listen, I know
It's
all
big.
about it. It's way harder.
Yeah,
So
YouTube.
that's like actually really good.
Yeah, once you're up in that region,
Yeah.
you're doing a superb
Yes,
job.
Like it's hard.
It's
Because
hard.
It's not like TikTok where you go through something.
right.
You got to be recommended.
Yes.
And there's categories.
Somebody's
and-
actually saying
yeah.
it. It's
Yes.
true. It's not TikTok. You can go on TikTok and person
You
stuff
gotta
just
have-
come up
you
on
know
your
what
page.
you know what I learned? I learned it from T-Pain. He said, always engage your audience. In the first few seconds, you got to captivate them, and you always want to ask them
I got
questions.
you.
You always want to ask them questions
See?
like,
I got you.
like, what do you think about it, or what would you do? Because people always want to tell their stuff.
Yeah,
So
their
you
stuff. You gotta
you
ask them
Yes,
questions.
you gotta act like you
Yeah.
want to know
Yeah.
their advice.
Yes.
Like, oh, this just happened to me. What would you do?
You're
And
so
then-
smart. You know this. I think you should come.
I-
No wonder you
I
were
know,
way
I
up in
come
260.
And because that
You
gets
should.
you more engagement, because that'll get more comments, more engagement, the more they're gonna push you.
Listen, I'm gonna let us go live tonight on TikTok. What do you
We
say about
should.
that?
What time?
What time you're
I'll
free?
be here all night, but I could TikTok live here.
All right. What I'm gonna do? You're on Instagram.
Yeah, I am on Instagram. I don't use it like that.
I would like you
use
to
it
like
more
send me a
TikTok.
message so I can actually find you. I have your page though,
Okay, wait, hold on.
so you can send me a message. We could go live on. I'm trying to build my TikTok. I just recently go on there. You understand? We could build together on TikTok
Yeah,
again.
You ever battle on there? I haven't battled yet. Have you battled?
I've never. I
We
have.
could do. See, then we could
I don't-
start our first own battle.
Yeah, I don't understand
I don't
anything
really
about TikTok.
understand it either, but it's people sending you money.
That's nice. I was just telling all my supporters that I'm gonna start going live on TikTok.
What they used to ask me all the time, please go live, please go. They would beg me. A couple times I went live, I
Man.
had like 2,000 in there.
We should go live tonight, and we probably could learn about it together.
Right.
Yeah.
We could talk more.
That's
wanna
awesome.
Find you on here, J-A-M,
M-A-M-A-I-C-A.
J-A-M-A, Jamaica by. what was
Walk
that?
by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
By.
You don't know how to spell Jamaica yet?
No, walk by what?
Just that's
walk
it.
by.
Walk by.
by.
Yeah. I want to make sure I find you.
Right there, I got him.
Alright,
Got
go
you.
get
Okay.
All right. So
Yeah,
what can I try in here? What
I'll
it-
do that.
All right. Yeah. Tell me what can I try? What's the best seller? I love cheese. I love cheese.
Our best seller is
How are we
usually
gonna
the
do
Supreme.
meat lover?
Meat lover. This one? Is
Yeah.
it this one?
Yes, that's the meat lover.
I want to try a slice of this. I can't be in here and not trying something. You know what I
I'm
mean?
gonna warm it up for you.
Yeah, you should. I love it warm. Right now I'm so cold. So this place is actually, what's the name of it? I see the Pizza Hub or something.
JD's
JD's Pizza Hub.
Dancer.
Right, I catch the sign
Or
from
here,
up
actually,
there.
look.
Yeah. All right. So I'm way over here in Syracuse, and this is it. The Pizza Hub. That's JD. I think it's Dangers or at Dangers. Just want to make sure, you know. But yeah, this is it. This is where I'm at. 153. All right, 3. So 153. It's crazy when you're trying to speak properly so that they could understand you. But me have to stick to my roots. So yeah, this is where I'm at. And it's crazy. I love it. I love it here. As you can see, as I stepped in, they were so nice. I wonder if I can keep this. I'm definitely
Wait,
going to.
don't leave yet. I
Can,
gotta talk to you.
yeah, can I keep this?
Yes, don't leave yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here. Can I show them around a little bit? So this is it, massive. It's really nice. It's beautiful.
You can walk around.
Yeah. Oh my God, there's food, everything here. It's not just pizza. Wow. So you know a lot of these stores have their ATMs inside here and stuff like that. Nice big screen TVs you can watch. There's a bar section here as well. I see a lot of beers there and all sorts of. This looks like the spot around the area, right? This is the spot. I can see it. Crazy amount of things. I think I see tequila and stuff like that. Oh, it's nice.
Right? Okay.
I didn't realize it was so big. It's
There's
big.
more.
Yeah, so big. Hello, good day. Yeah, it's really big. It's beautiful. Like it's so massive, big, and it's beautiful. Hi, beautiful ladies. Good day. Oh, man. I gotta apologize, man. The ear from back. I thought you were a girl. So I was like, hey, beautiful ladies. Then I saw it's a guy. Oh my God. So, oh, you see? Oh, tall. Look, can I see how tall your hair is? Look, it's massive tall. I'm so sorry. I gotta apologize. Respect, it's love, always. Enjoy your food. I didn't realize there was so much food in here.
I know.
Yeah, it's great. I love it over here. It's my first time in America, and I'm loving it.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, I'm Jamaican. Yeah, you ever been to Jamaica?
No.
You should.
You're from Montego?
Kingston side, Clarendon. Yeah, you should check out Jamaica. Go there. The food, everything. I see that you love to eat, so you will eat a lot. Yeah, it's great. So I'm just trying to give them some promotion on this place to show all the persons around here on my YouTube platform where I'm at and some of the place I'm going, you know? Yeah, so enjoy your food. That's your wife, right? Ah, that's how I want to grow. Yeah?
45 years.
45 years. You've been married 45 years.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not even 45 years old. 4 kids? Oh my God, that's love. And you guys are still going on date, doing all the nice things, and beautiful. Thank you guys for talking to me, all right? My love, one touch, we do it like this. God bless. Oh my God, lovely people. Lovely. I'm not gonna leave, I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna chill it. You're my friend. Oh yeah, it's great. Good day, I'm okay. I like to see beautiful people, so I'm gonna always talk to you, okay? Good love. It's great. Oh, you have a next section over there. Oh yeah. I didn't realize it was so big. Like, it is big. So, oh my God. The greatest thing is that this camera is great on low light. So massive, look at this. Look at this. This is another section. Private, it's warm, it's cozy, it's really nice.
But yeah,
Look here, look at this.
Talking to my owner, I'm like, listen, he's got a real camera. Maybe we can figure something out for you to help. We need to start getting like pictures and videos for our Facebook page
Yeah.
so we can start promoting it.
Like, this place is beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm definitely coming back
You don't
here.
have, like, a car, do you?
Yes, I suppose I should have another one. I came over here with hundreds and I gave them all out.
Give it to my owner
Oh my God, this place is massive.
because he needs help
Oh.
with, like getting pictures
And stuff like that.
videos. Yeah.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. We're just down the street. I could take my family here and we could eat and stuff.
Yes.
Wow.
We got a lot on the menu.
I'm
too.
so glad that I took this walk.
I know. Me too. Me too.
Oh my
Now
God, look.
you're motivating me too to get back in the
Trust me, I was gonna stay inside and I'm like, oh no, I cannot be up here.
God telling me to get back
You
on.
should. You have a
No, but you know what's
260,000.
crazy? I quit when I was in the middle of getting millions of views.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Come on,
To
man.
get a regular job. Because it
my
all
God.
started during COVID.
COVID.
So I was like, let me just, you know what I mean? And I started blowing up.
I start Jamaica walk by in COVID too.
Did you? Yeah.
Yes.
But then, so then with COVID, I was like, damn, I have to get like a real job. And it was just a lot of like working every day, coming home. Because I have to, for my content, I have to paint,
Yeah.
record that, edit that video, write a story out, because I
About
do
it.
stories of like murders and stuff like that.
Wow.
Thank you very much, sir. Write that out, record my voice, edit it all together, put pictures in it. Like, it was a lot. It was a lot.
Wow. Oh my
So-
God. So I see content creators like that. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot.
So you should be benefiting from it.
Right.
You can't.
No,
you
I
can't.
was making money.
You can't go this far and stop. Even if you're working here, you should
Everybody
continue.
tells me, like, why did you stop?
Oh man, so this is the slice that
You know
I'm
what it is,
actually
though?
getting right now.
I wish I had like a GoPro. You know how that one guy with the ice cream used to?
Yeah.
That's what I wish I could do, like at work. Have like a GoPro and just that be my like content for now is me like working.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
go
I-
live, and that's what I was thinking. I should
Enjoy.
Oh my God. So, how much is for like a slice of this, like for this?
One slice is what?
Yeah, I want to know. Like I could tell them they could, you know.
306. That's
Oh
like
my
the
word.
charge.
I want to try it. Like, I'm definitely gonna try.
I love their pizza. I eat it
freezing.
every night.
So, this is actually the pizza. You know, definitely I have to eat these things on camera. You know what I mean?
But yeah, no, I'm like, you got a really good following on YouTube. Your following on
Give me give me a second.
yeah, it's like 306 after text.
Yep.
Your following on YouTube is way bigger than
my
my
God.
following on TikTok. Isn't it good?
Oh, my Jamaica, why? Before I even go in that, this is delicious.
It's so good.
This is like,
I eat it every night.
I'm not kidding. Like, this is,
Yes. 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 Listen,
Oh my God.
Yeah, because at night, instead of them throwing it out, I take it home.
who made this?
Pizza Boy. I told them, let me make a video of you.
I want to
I'll
see
make
this.
you go
I want to, can I
viral.
see this guy? I'd love to just see this
Let
guy.
me see if Ali's here.
No,
Ali's not here.
Oh my God. Massive. But eat no pizza. This one,
So it must be the
I honestly feel like this is the best pizza I've ever had.
It must be Jalal, the other pizza guy, but our main pizza guy is,
Oh my
name is
God.
Ali, and he is the shit. They
Ca-
make homemade
ca-
sauce and everything.
Can I get 2 more?
Yeah, yeah. What do you want?
Something.
You want the...
Oh,
Oh, we don't have any of the chicken. Our chicken bacon ranch is our most... We don't have it, though. It's our most popular.
so this is the one that
This
you
is-
give me?
Yes, this is Meat Lover. This is Supreme.
I want 2 more of the
Chicken-
meat lovers.
Meat Lover. You gotta try our chicken bacon ranch. It's so good.
Oh my
We
word.
also do the buffalo chicken. We do all types of like specialty. We do the pineapple. You ever heard of a red Reuben?
Red Reuben?
Red Reuben. We do a red Reuben pizza. Yeah, like all types of stuff.
Oh my word.
Yeah, no, our pizza.
This is delicious.
Pizza's banging. You want a drink, honey?
Oh my.
You
It's,
want like a Sprite?
it is so cold. I am scared of anything cold right now. Like I swear to you.
You don't want nothing cold. I can get you like
I'm so cold.
tap water. You
Man,
don't want to drink
I want to warm up. I probably,
a warm cup of water. Do you want me to heat it up?
yeah.
What do you want? Like water from the tap?
That's fine. You can just warm it up. I'll just roll with that. But massive, this is, look what's left. Oh my God. I'm coming back. But I have to come back here soon. Oh my word. This is so good. So good. Really nice. Oh my word. So this place is called Pizza Pub. TD at, I think it's Danger. I'm not sure if that's a G.
If you post
Tell me what the name is. Is that D?
it is JD at Danzers.
It's Danzers.
Danzers. So it's 2 restaurants combined. Danzers was a German restaurant.
Yeah.
JD's was a pizza pub. He owned JD's, he bought Danzers, and he combined the 2.
The one. Oh my word.
That's so what it is. So it's German American cuisine.
That's awesome.
Yeah. If
Massive.
you post anything, you should tag me.
Yeah, I'm definitely. We're gonna go live tonight.
Yes.
So you follow me on Instagram? Yeah, you did.
Oh, shit.
I want you to make sure you send me a message on
Okay,
Instagram, so I know that I don't. Oh well, you're right here, so I know that I know where to find you.
Right, right. Hold on.
But we should definitely talk tonight, and we can go live and
Yeah.
just talk some YouTube, some
Yeah,
TikTok.
'cause I get like nervous going live with other people.
Well,
you know what I mean? So I
We're
know
gonna
that-
fix that tonight.
Right. Well, I'm downloading it because
Oh my
I'm
word.
locked out of my thing on my phone because I owe them 30 cents.
I know how that go.
You know what I'm talking about when they do that?
Yeah, I understand. All right, what I'm gonna do is, where's my phone at?
Instagram right now on my tablet.
That's all right. Now, what I'll do, let me just find my phone. Oh my word! Give me your let me see if I can.
You got Facebook?
I have, but I don't use it
Okay.
any at
Well,
all.
here, I'm just gonna download Instagram. Let me go check on my table. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh my word!
My
Oh.
blended tea.
So this is a blended tea.
Yeah, I made it.
Oh yeah.
It's black tea leaves, mango, coconut, cinnamon, and clove.
Wow.
And if you want it sweeter, you add a little honey.
And that's honey.
Yes.
Ah, I feel special. Yeah. Oh my word.
We're gonna get you.
I wonder what pizza he's gonna try.
The first time I've been in here, I'm just looking. I've seen it.
Oh, it's the first time you've been here? Listen, I just tried this pizza for the first
Meat
time.
lovers.
I'm getting inside of here. And this thing, let me just buy like 3 more. Like just trying this one. Oh my God. You ever hear when they say knocked out of the park? That's the guy. Yeah. So this is the nice blended tea. I'm gonna try this one right here. Right now. Try to get a little bit of warmed up.
So Ty, me and him, we're gonna go live here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So bless up, bro. Respect.
We're gonna go
Yeah.
live. He's got some following on YouTube.
Oh my
I told
word.
him it's way harder to get a following on YouTube than TikTok.
Yeah. So
He's like, look at your
Oh,
following. Like,
don't
look
wanna
at
bounce
your
my tea over.
following. Oh my God, you have me on camera with this weird witch hat on.
no man, that's good. It's Halloween. When is Halloween? Tomorrow should
Tomorrow.
be tomorrow. See?
Tomorrow's my birthday.
I will buy.
Halloween.
Tomorrow is your birthday too?
Yeah, guess how old I am. Just take, I swear to God, take a guess. You won't find
22.
me. Go higher.
He said 55.
What do you really think?
25.
I'm 33.
Yikes.
I'm old.
Listen,
How old are you?
I'm old.
No,
Older
you're
than you.
not. No, you're not.
I'm older than you.
What?
I'm
Old are you?
I'm 37.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I wouldn't have thought that.
I'm younger than
I wouldn't. I know
You're
you're the youngest. one
you're young.
around. You're the youngest one around.
Huh?
20.
You maybe you're I would say
Early
20.
20s, right?
I was gonna say like 24, 25,
Yeah,
somewhere
he looks
around
early
there.
20s.
Am I right? You're 27. See?
You're still.
Yeah, but I wasn't expecting you because the problem that
You're older.
what I've been having over here is when I see the ladies look older than they usually are.
Right.
So if I look at you and you like a bit old,
Right.
I'm gonna be like, nah.
go
I'm gonna
lower.
I'm gonna go lower. Yeah.
But you really thought I looked young.
Yeah, in your face. Yeah, for real. Like in your face. And trust me, I probably could have said 19.
Oh,
Listen,
God.
I'm not kidding. I probably could have said 19. Because I must say, like, if you look 25, you're probably 20, 19, 18 or something like that.
Right.
So-
okay, wait, I downloaded it.
So yeah.
So that way we can message each other on Instagram, right?
Yeah, and then I don't know how to use TikTok, so I will
Oh,
definitely
you're not like on
yeah,
it like
I just
that?
post some of my stuff on there
Okay,
and persons
okay.
like it and stuff.
Alright.
But yeah.
Hold on, let me log in.
Oh my God, this is great. I love it here. It's comfy, and it's warm
Yeah,
now.
it's a nice atmosphere.
And
Yeah.
she's still sweating.
That's
She
the
is
only
still
server.
sweating,
Only server.
and
running
I
around.
am freezing everything.
I'll have you run to the tables. You'll be sweating.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
here we go. What's your name on here?
So it's Jamaica. Wow,
yeah.
but let me spell it one more time for you.
Yeah.
So it's JAMAICA. Space walk by. WALKBY. So
Wait,
go to account. That's
Right
the
there?
yeah, that's me.
Oh wow, how'd you?
Yeah,
get
I
a
hit the
blue check?
100,000 on Instagram.
How'd you get a blue check?
Yeah, Instagram giving it now. Yeah, Instagram giving it now, so you
How
can
much you gotta get?
you can sign up for it. You can go in your thing and sign up for it if all
You're
your
lying. I
yeah,
don't use
trust me.
Instagram
If
ever.
all your things turn out to be legit, they will give you a blue tick.
I barely use it.
Yeah, so that's me. So send me a message so I can know it's you. Just tell me your name and you're from the pizza place, and I will message you, and we could decide on a time when we could go live on TikTok.
Right.
Let's see if some of our supporters can send us some funds or something.
Right.
Yeah.
Pizza place.
So
Okay, I sent a message.
right.
Wow.
So this is her tea. She said she made it herself.
Oh, yeah,
She blended some stuff, and
it
she
was
said
good. I drank some. It's not poison, I swear.
and she said this is honey. She said
it's honey.
she drinks some. It's not poison.
Make
I
sure-
like you. You're funny.
Make sure you take this
So
too.
yeah, I'm gonna make sure. Where did I do with the one I had? Oh,
you
I rested there.
have one? Okay.
I'm gonna make sure. So
Yeah,
this is
okay,
the
take
tea,
one of them.
and this is honey. So let me just taste it. Let me just taste it.
Without the honey. The honey makes it sweet.
Oh, so it's fresh right now. So she told me.
Yeah,
So
it's a lot of spices.
I'm definitely gonna add some honey to it.
Okay, okay. Yeah, all my tables are eaten.
All right. So this was way fresh. So
Yeah, yeah.
you're gonna put back your witch hat on.
Look where my pin says.
What is it?
This is my Halloween costume.
Figure that. That is it.
I'm a waitress.
Oh, wait, where did I do the spoon?
Oh,
I sure
here.
did. Oh, there was a spoon. All right, so there's a spoon right here.
Did she get your other pizza?
No, I think it's still in the microwave.
Oh no, I hope it's not still in the oven. It'll be burned.
I love the way this one tasted though. This tea actually tastes good. Tastes really good. But you know, they over here do things different from us. So once we are in their place, we do what the Romans do. It's still raining outside, so I'm just, you know, killing a few time out here. Everybody preparing for Halloween so far. So it's just great. I love it in here. The customer service in here is just excellent. As you guys see, I didn't turn the camera off any at all. Okay, so I definitely tried it and it's good. I've never tasted anything like this before. It has a real herb taste, like some strong herbs in there with some ginger and stuff like that mixed with the honey. So yeah, let's go. I really needed this. I'm freezing. There's a little bit of mint in there too as well. Well, work it out this way. If you go someplace and you ask for some water and they give you tap water, you can never know what's in there or anything like that, or the pizzas or stuff like that. You'll never know. So, Chris, kudos. I drink it. Let's see what happens. I'm just kidding. Yeah, I know it's gonna be great. Yeah, but so far, persons in here are nice. Alright, no joke. So yeah, so I'm still in the place. And I'm waiting at the pizza now, and then I'll just pay for this, and then we're gonna head back outside when it's finished raining and stuff like that. And we're gonna see if we can walk a bit further, and I'll go back home. Trust me. This is the life of a content creator. You know what I mean? You gotta make up your mind to go out there. You gotta make up your mind to do what your art desire, and don't be afraid. Just go on out there and just do what you gotta do. You know?
Yeah, that's the old dancers. You gotta type in
so
JD
this is it.
dancers.
Oh yeah. So tell me how much do I owe you?
All right.
I'm definitely gonna have to come back here with my family to see if I can, you know, get some other food.
Okay. I'm so sorry I made you come up here.
She's so nice. Yeah.
I apologize. I must have took forever.
Well, my husband was coming to
Oh, so you guys are ready to go. Yeah.
chair to sit on.
Oh, I would have got him a pillow or something. Yeah, I think I have a pillow.
You
in
see
my
what I'm
car.
saying? Like my first impression.
I think I got a pillow in my car.
Oh my word.
Was this one? Oh, the one I took off the grilled cheese. Okay.
Yeah, oh my
You
word.
guys had the hot dog and the grilled cheese. Yeah. Okay.
Love this pizza. Yeah. There's the box. Yeah. I'm trying to close it with one
I
hand.
know they're a pain.
But,
I might need to help you.
alright,
Wait, that's
I could have sworn I got it. I didn't.
good thing I didn't click okay.
No. She's gonna do
I
it for
can
me.
help you, if
Yeah.
you can't do it.
So yeah, this is what the place looks like. Nice. It's a lovely place. I love the roof. The roof is beautiful. Nice. Yeah.
Grilled cheese and a hot dog.
Great, man. Yeah. So
Customer
massive.
merchant.
Oh my word. So
Yeah, you're very welcome.
I'm gonna be right back.
Okay.
I'm gonna get these things packed up and stuff, put in a bag and stuff like that, and then we'll be right back. I'm checking if the rain is still falling. I'll probably start rolling again when I'm walking out, or who knows? Let's see. But I'm gonna stop right here and get these things all packed up and ready for the road, and to see what else out there I might see. Soon come.
So yeah.
So listen, massive. A while ago I was like, let me pay for this. And this same nice girl here said to me, no, it's fine. She's got it. She's gonna take care of it for me. So I ended up getting 3 slices of pizza for free to talk to this lady and to promote this beautiful restaurant here. Like,
No problem.
thank you. Oh my God, I wish I could give you a hug, like
it was
a
nice to
warm
meet you.
hug.
I
We're
know, right?
we're gonna be on
I'm
TikTok
sweating,
tonight.
You're freezing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes,
God,
we
thank
will.
you. See, and I drink the tea, and I this tastes good actually. You can let her know. Let me see if I can get the rest of it.
Yeah, no, it warms me up too.
All
I
right.
need a Red Bull. That's what I want.
Oh my word. So
But yeah, no, I'm so glad because you literally motivated me.
trust me, we are going to take it
Try
to.
to get back
We're
on
going to be
social
crazy
media.
friends from now on.
All right.
All right?
It sounds good.
And-
What was your name again?
My name is Fabian.
Fabian.
Yeah, Fabian.
Fabian.
Yeah,
I'm Rachel.
Rachel. Never gonna forget that. Rachel, we're gonna talk tonight. I'm gonna
Okay.
see. You tell me that I should just walk the direction that I came from and just go up the road.
If you go up.
All right, that's
You
what
go
I'm gonna do.
straight and up. Up
You're-
the hill.
you are
You'll
so
see
nice.
I used to work at that Dunkin'.
Yeah.
They want me back so bad. They begged every time I got coffee today. They're please. They're like, please, we're gonna put you on the schedule again. I'm like, guys, I got a new job.
Everybody likes you. I can see. All right, so I'm gonna take my bag and I'm gonna
Yes, no,
walk.
it was nice
and
talking to you, honey.
thank
I
you guys.
appreciate it
Where's
so
your
much.
Where's the other employee? I want you to tell her that I'm leaving. Yeah, and I want to thank her for the
Right
tea.
here.
Hey, thank you so much for the tea.
Thank you.
You're the best.
Yes, no,
All
thank
right,
you.
I'm gonna see if I come back. What time this place close?
Every day, like, 10, 11.
10. All right,
We
I'm
open
definitely
up-
gonna come back later on so we can have dinner or
We
something.
open up at 11 every day except for Sunday. We open up at 3.
All right.
So we're 7 days a week.
All right. So elbow
And
bumps.
I'm always here, bro.
All right. Love
Yeah.
that. I'll be
All
back.
right. It was nice meeting
Thank
honey.
you. I'll be back.
All right.
Love it here. I'll be back.
Fun. Be
Good.
safe walking out there.
All right. Thank you. I will.
Be safe.
Oh my God, this
'Cause
place
it's
is
raining
great.
and stuff,
Let me
so-
see if it stopped. All right. It looked like it stopped now.
Is it stop? Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, just be careful.
Let me see.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's so cold.
Yeah, you should have had a jacket on.
Oh my
But-
word.
I mean, yeah,
She
it's
even
like
walks
more
me
lively
outside.
down there.
Oh
I
my
was just
God.
making sure you're all right.
All
Be
right.
safe.
I will.
All right.
All right.
good
Later
night.
we'll talk. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. So, this is so cool. I love what I do. Like, oh my God, massive. I just want to say life is great, and this place right here is awesome. As you can see, so massive. Anybody tends to come in this area here. You have parking. You have all different kind of parking and thing. You understand? That's the place. Yeah, Denver. All right. So it's Pizza Pub TD at Denver. All right. This is the place here. Love it. It's awesome. The lady inside here is so nice. Both of them. And some of the customer was so cool and chill. It's just great. So I made the right decision. See, sometimes you have to just follow your mind, you know. Follow your mind and just do what you want to do. You understand? And make Jah lead you in the right direction. Because from I see the place, I say, yo, I'm going to go up there so and see if I can find somewhere to cool off till the rain blow off. And this place was the place. Yeah. Big up yourself, Rachel. Yeah. Jamaica Walk By Massive, I have mad love for you. And the entire persons here. Big up to the boss too as well. One love every time. Yeah, so she said if I walk that direction and take the left and go take another right, we will go to the city. But if we walk to this way and go that left, we will find more businesses. So we're just gonna do that. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this with this thing in my hand. It is so cold. But this pizza was excellent. Excellente. Excellente. And the bag said thank you. Like, oh yeah, Jamaica walk by massive. Mad love right across the world. So we're going back this direction. And she said to be safe. And thank you so much, Rachel. I really don't remember your TikTok, but we are gonna go live later on TikTok. Love it. You see, massive, so we have beautiful white people in the world. Like Chris said it before, saying that, listen, we cannot judge these white folks for stuff happened decades ago where other white persons did, you know? So I agree with you, Christmas list, and you are so right. Let us all take a person for who they are, for who they truly be. You understand me I say? So make we do that. We can't use the same frying pot and fry everybody. You understand? So that is just the truth. You see me? No joke thing. So yeah, the rain seems to have come down, come and stop, but we are walk through and we are go on. You know the thing go. So massive is like, me a smoke and me not smoke. Check it. That's how cool the place be. You see me? You smoke, G? Can I say mad things that come out there? Nah, smoke. I'm telling you, it's mad cool, bro. Yeah, you're from around here? Yeah? Big up, I'm from Jamaica. We don't have this temperature in Jamaica, you know, man? I know it is. Yeah, it's cold. Like a while ago when it went like, something like it had a vapor or something. Yeah, bless up, man. Respect. Oh my God, it's crazy. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. It's Jamaica Walk By. Walk By. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Alright, respect, bro. Yeah. So massive once you know how to be human being, man, you will survive in the world, cause it's always the first impression, you know? Sometimes I do talk to persons and they don't talk to me or stuff like that. Sometimes I can't blame them too, cause sometimes they really don't understand what I'm saying. Some people speak Spanish and bunch of stuff like that. You see me? But yeah, man, no joke thing, brother. Foreign sweet. Yeah, man. Love it. I should be on the other side because there's no sidewalk on this side. So this is it. So Rachel said I can go straight and I'll see much more things. I gotta do it quick because guess what? No. I really don't want to. I don't want rain come down and catch me on the road. So I'm gonna cross. I wanna make sure that every time I actually reach somewhere, there is actually a place that I can go inside of. You understand? And I think it's the only Amtrak's, that's the name of the train that actually run up this side. Seen? So you won't see a lot of train. It's not like down in the city where you see and hear trains everywhere. You know? Alright. Alright. That looks like a college over there or something. Woo. You know, actually I drink that tea and it tastes pretty good. I actually feel much warmer. Like, yeah. Like, me actually feel really, really warmer since we drink the tea, so that's a plus. Somebody asked me this question, like, Do you eat everywhere you go or you drink everywhere you go? You see, if somebody want to poison you, you can't run from it. I'd rather just pop up somewhere and eat from a complete stranger than actually eat from somebody I know, you know? That's the person who normally you should be scared of to poison you. The person you know really well and stuff like that, because them would have probably have a reason to poison you, or they would have a reason to want to do you something. But for a complete stranger, it is like a chance of 99.99999 that you will be okay. You probably will actually maybe eat something that you are allergic to, but for somebody to poison you, that's not possible on the first sight, most of the time. So, I'm guessing that all those nice places are up where those buildings are. So, let's see. Yeah. We're going. So, big up to I Am Marwa. Big up, you hit your 500,000 subscriber. That is crazy. That is crazy. 500,000 subscriber. Look at the trees and the forest over there. It's beautiful. The leaves are changing and stuff like that. Wow. Wow. So this is a bridge right here. And roads down there. Massive, this is a joke cold. It is now 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius. 3 degrees Celsius. And our AC in Jamaica stops at 15 degrees Celsius. So this is not a joke cold. You know what I mean? This is not a joke cold. So it seems like they're making a new road or something. Oh man. Are they destroying this road? Not so sure. My face a freeze off. Yo, me really have to start take them cola serious, brother. And them man they work like normal in the cola. Big up to all of my hard-working people them in the world. Cause this not normal, brother. All the leaf them start going off our trees. Oh man. See? This is where we're at. Oh my word. In a foreign. Beautiful. Only if I hurt them, I do. Alright. Alright. One Jamaica walk by massive. I take it to foreign. So I say we're gonna start going live on TikTok. Jamaica walk by TV on TikTok. Alright? Jamaica walk by TV on TikTok. You know, when I go live, I just go live over there. Massive then say easy if you bless me up too. Can play some game. You know, we can have more fun over TikTok live, you know? Yeah. I go through the bush. So yeah. Seems like we're getting somewhere now. Yeah. The stones. Oh wow. So all me have to do it now is that I have to just warm up one hand inside of the sweater, and then we just, when that one get warm up, we switch on. That's how we have to do it. Oh, the rain is back. Cover this. We're actually reaching somewhere. Look at the type of UPS truck. Yeah. Alright, so we see some shopping center and thing over here. So. Look at the leaves. So beautiful. Okay, so this is for sale. Anybody would like to buy it, this is for sale. Stephanie. Probably that house there, I'm not sure. Most persons have their chimney blazing, man. Oh man, this is so pretty. Beautiful, massive. No joke. Ah, there's a gas station and stuff. Where I get warm. Well, as in warm with the fine in the place. Place still a freeze. Alright. Yeah. Woo. This place looks like in the movies. Like one of the places you've definitely seen in the movies. Beautiful. I wish I could see the guy that always have the sign saying that he just wants persons to smile. Oh, so there's a gas station now. And there's a Taco Bell over here. It's a rain. Taco Bell drive-through. I'm not sure where to go now. Rain is coming down so heavy. All right, I'm gonna go to one on my right since I'm already over here. See if I can get some shelter and thing. Massive. When we say I'm cool, look at this. Look at this. This is how cold I am. It's now 3 degrees Celsius the last time I checked. All right, let's go. Oh my word. I'm just trying to get some shelter. Oh, there's the Dunkin' Donuts she was talking about. Ah, yeah, so trying to get a little bit of shelter here. All right, so that's the Dunkin' Donuts she was talking about over there. And unfortunately, I don't see the guy that she was talking about holding the sign. Probably too cool. But yeah, look at this face. It is so clean. Like so clean and nice. Oh, the rain a Jew, so I'm about back a little bit. Ah, that looks like a pharmacy up there. So, but this is like a little town, a little bit of something going on this side here. And thing. Yeah, can see. Nice. I'm not sure how they do gas here, but these are them gas pump. So them gas pump and thing. See lady go and park, so you probably have to go and pay for it. Bro, how they do the gas over here? You have to pay. You pay on the inside. It's not here. Yeah, so it seems like you park and you go inside and pay for your gas. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, massive. So, no joke. Syracuse is really beautiful. It's really nice. Really like it over here. Since we've been up here though, it's been raining a lot. Yeah, it's been raining a lot, but it's just awesome. The temperature though, look at that. See that? That's how cold it is. It's actually 3 degrees Celsius right about now the last time I checked. Probably got lower because it feels way more colder than it was, you know? So, big up to Pizza Pub. That's Pizza Pub at Denver. Pizza Pub at Denver, yeah, that's it. So big up for that. And yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna walk any further. I'm just gonna make my way back. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. I'm not sure if you don't want to watch me walk back to make sure everything is okay, or I'm not sure if I can walk a different way to go back. I'm gonna check it on the map, and let me just check it right now. Oh my God, it's so cool. So yeah. So big up to her. I think her name was Rachel. I told her I'm not gonna forget her name. So I think it was Rachel. So yeah. Let me see. Oh my God, I can't feel my hands. Oh, so my location right now is actually 3 degrees Celsius still. Yeah, so I'm just trying to check the map to see if I can walk somewhere to go back where I was. Let's see if I can do this. Can find my location. I get the directions to go back. Wonder if there's another route to go back where I'm staying. Okay, how do you do this? I don't know. Alright. My car. Alright, I'm finding it. Yeah. Alright, so it's telling me the same direction to go back to where I was. Or if I walk.
Starting walking directions to 103 Remington Avenue.
Alright, so
Quarter mile, walk over the...
if I walk, it's 30 minutes. I don't know if you don't want to watch me walk, go back. Maybe you might never know, see some other stuff and thing. But let's see if we can just do this. See? Alright, let's go. Let's see what else we can do. Yeah, so it is still freezing. I'm gonna have to probably go inside there a little bit to see if I can just cool off. This girl been watching me like she's wondering what I'm doing, but that's fine. It is so cold, I'm gonna just cool off here a bit. Oh, good day. I saw you looking back.
Like,
yeah, wondering what I'm doing.
Like, what is he got? What is he
Yeah,
doing?
I'm a YouTuber, so I have my camera. I was just.
I was wondering if you were. I was like, you must do social media.
Yeah. Hello, good day over there. Good day. I'm trying to borrow some of your heat inside here so I can warm up a little bit. All right. I've never been this cold in my life. Never. I'm from Jamaica, so we don't used to this. I'm freezing. So you're telling me it gets way colder than this?
Yeah. Wait.
I don't know you guys doing. I was talking to a girl down the shop down there and she was sweating.
Really? Well, yeah. I was actually just sweating at my appointment. I'm warm right now too.
You're what?
Yeah.
Oh, do you guys do this? If I touched you, I feel like it's
Probably.
ice.
Probably.
Yeah.
So I wondered.
I'm just enjoying the walk.
It gets really cold here.
I'm gonna let me tell you about the channel. It's Jamaica Walk By. So I would love if you could subscribe to it if you want to see what Jamaica looks like.
What's it called?
Jamaica Walk By. So I walk the streets of Jamaica and talk and show the foods,
On YouTube?
everything on YouTube.
Just YouTube?
On Instagram, TikTok as well.
TikTok?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Remember, you know,
All right,
I don't have
remember
any
my
more
page,
cards.
you'll see me on there.
All right, nice. It is so nice inside here because outside is freezing. Yeah. But you have a lot of things going on inside of here. I see a lot of things going on. You have food, you have drinks, a lot of stuff. Yeah, I realize you have from beverages to dairy to beer. That's cove or cave and beer. I'm gonna walk, I'm not sure that direction down there. I'm going all the way back down there to where I'm staying, you know? So I'm just trying to get a little bit warm and then start again. Yeah. You ever been to Jamaica? No. Nah? You're Indian. You're from India.
Yeah,
Bangladesh. I love Indian food. I love the naan. Same food. Yeah. That's like a different state. Oh, so it's like you have like it's Bangladesh, but it's still like India. No. Different country, but same type of people. Yeah, same language too? Different language? Wow, I didn't know that. So India is not Bangladesh. Small. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Same. And America, or Canada and America. Okay. Got it. Thank you so much for Bangladesh. So I learned something a while ago, Massive, that Bangladesh is actually different from India. Even though the persons look alike, it is not the same. It's a different country. Yeah. Oh yeah. The culture is same. Yeah. Hindu. Also, most Bangladesh are Muslim. Oh, 95%. Okay, that's so cool to understand those things. All right. I see that these are games, like games. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for that. I think I tried the best pizza I've ever eaten in a place down there called Pizza Pub at Denver, down the road. Excellent. Yeah, love it. Wherever I go, if I love something, I love it. Yeah, I realize there's slushy over there. I can't drink anything cold right now. Nothing. I'm freezing. Oh, you give me a free coffee? How do you do it? Try to take out the cup and oh my word. You guys are extremely nice. Like they actually gave me this pizza too. And I'm here telling you about it. Like, and it's so great. And I'm getting a cup of coffee from you.
Yeah,
So
this is the regular coffee.
This
This is the decaf. This is the hazelnut, and this is the pumpkin.
okay.
So,
Which one is your favorite?
I use to the regular.
That's this one.
This is the
So
regular.
where's the cup? This is the cup.
This one, yeah. Yep.
Oh my word. So Massive, I can't make this up. I keep telling you guys that I cannot make this up. I have no idea what to do. So, okay. All right. I'm not gonna fill the cup. I think you just drink it just like this, I guess. So, yeah, I got a free cup of coffee. I cannot make this up. Let me taste it. Oh my word, yeah. So, these are. So can I? Okay. All right, she said I can take all I need to do this. So these are milk. All right. Creamer.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
The machine creamer. The
So-
half and half whole milk and
French
some
vanilla.
vanilla.
Oh,
And this is the sugar.
I'm different. Oh man. So let me. How do I do? Just push it. Just. I don't know when to stop. It's my first time doing this.
Just press. You put
So
it
put it right here.
Just press.
Keep holding it.
One by one.
Oh,
Like other.
this is sugar.
This is sugar. When you push here, push like.
I see some. Oh, yeah, this is so cool. All right, let me taste this now. Let me see where the spoon is at. Any? Oh, yeah, they use this.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is the cup.
ah, man. So, this is it. Massive, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. This is happening for real. So, this is one of the things why I just keep my camera rolling and I just live. If someone wants to turn me down, if somebody wants to say something bad, everything goes. So, this is exactly what is happening right here, right now. Like, oh my MG. All right, let me try this. Yeah, I think I did it. I think I did it. I think I did it. And yeah, I wonder if I can bore it, or I don't know. If I can drink it from the top. I see a hole here. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is superb. This is excellent. I don't know what her name is, but I just want to say thank you so much. I'm gonna actually tell her, no, it's delicious. So, Lexi, I'm thinking I'm gonna take you up on the offer. We probably can come here for a while. Like, OMG, I love it. I am beginning to feel so warm. I'm trying to talk properly to most of you who don't understand me. So, yes. So, if you want gas, all you need to do is just park on the pump over there. And once you park on the pump over there, you come inside here and then you pay and you go and pump your gas. So far I only see one employee, so that is just great. So the service out there, I'm just telling them about the service. So they just come on the pump and they come inside and pay and you enable the pump. Oh, some people can use a card out there. Okay. I want to say thank you so much. Like super appreciate you for doing this. It really works. I made a coffee for the first time in foreign. Yeah. Usually in Jamaica we don't do it like this. So thank you so much. What your name is again?
My name is
Toma?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Toma. God bless you, okay? Blessings and blessings. Yeah, man, you can come through. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna head on out and think. I hope it stopped raining. All right, not look so bad, Toma. So blessings and blessings, Toma. Much love, much respect. And there you go, I got another free gift. You know, I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. Ooh, my nearly drop. I cannot make this up, so I'm gonna make it back down and thing. And yeah, I get a coffee and I have pizza just by walking out in a foreign. Yeah, mad thing, yeah. We feel good. Yeah, massive. Then, oh God, no fear bless me. God, no fear bless me, man. God, no fear bless me all the time. You don't see it. Look good now, man. You don't see how much God bless me. Look good now, man. Look good. You don't see boy bless. I can't hungry. I'm still looking for the guy who have the sign, but I don't see him. But massive, I can't hungry. I can't hungry. I can't make this up. So, yeah. I can't make this up massive. No, sir. Look good. Yeah, man, I can't make this up massive. So, can't hungry. I have coffee. I have pizza. I have like 3 sizes of pizza in there. No, I think I 2 because I eat 1. So massive. Big up every time. Syracuse, mad love for you. The people them over here is so nice, so genuine, so everything. They're beautiful. You understand? So I'm gonna close the video right here because you know I'm gonna walk back that direction and actually see how I walk it. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. Big up to that nice lady inside of that gas station over there. The gas station is On The Way. That's the name of it, On The Way. So big up to everybody over there at On The Way gas station. And I also want to big up to the pizza pub at Denver down the road. Rachel, big up yourself, much love. Or if it's not Rachel, it's Rochelle. So big up every time. Thank you guys for watching. Super appreciate every one of you. Big up, mad love. I'm outside. I can't make this up massive. I cannot make this up. Now I'm going back home with pizza and coffee and bunch of things. Mad love, mad respect. We outside. I'm going. Wow, I cannot make this up. Oh my God, big up massive. So subscribe. We're going to the 100,000 subscriber. Please and thanks. Yeah. I'm not sure when we are gonna do another walking video up this side because we're gonna leave in a few days or so. And I just wanna say mad love to everybody watching the video. Place nice, the place is beautiful, and I love it. I'm going back down. Yeah. Woo! Can't make this up. Figure that. That is it. Life is good. People are beautiful. We have loving, nice people in the world. So right now, big up to all my Bangladesh, massive in the world. Me rate to know. Just with that one lady there, all Bangladesh, massive, mad love, mad respect. Anyone there in the world over there in Bangladesh. Me dey think kuna Indian see away, but you know the thing up. She says same thing, but different country. Mad love, mad respect. I'm out. I'm out. I feel good. Coffee and pizza in a bag. Look for me good now, man. Look good now, man. You know, see your life we are live out there in our world. Yeah, man. Syracuse, big up every time. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. Woo! That is it, man. We're walking, we're heading back. Figure that. Warm up.